I'm recording this monologue in the middle of the night because this issue truly bothers my spirit, my soul, and my body. It hurts me to see what is happening in the Southeast. The Southeast Development Commission, right? The chairman of the Southeast Development Commission, Mr. Mark Okoye, he recently announced that the commission received its first major payment, 5 billion naira. Now, when a region that has suffered years of economic stagnation finally receives funding like that, you expect urgency, you expect vision, you expect ideas. But instead, according to him, one of his first priorities was searching for donors in order to meet the proposed 140 billion naira budget. And in the process of looking for these donors, over 800 million naira was spent. Let us sink in. 800 million naira was spent in donor-seeking activities. And what was the result? $300,000 was reached. We conversed to 400 million naira. In simple terms, over 800 million naira was spent to generate 400 million naira. That is not strategy. That's a colossal failure in resource management. And that is exactly why so many people in the Southeast feel frustrated, because when opportunities come for us to prove ourselves, right, we sometimes show the worst habits of Nigerian governance. Now, Mr. Mark Okoye is a young man, and because he's young, many people expect fresh thinking, fresh ideas, and a new approach to development, right? And that is why I am suggesting, instead of all these endless meetings and conferences, I would like to suggest 5 practical ways that 5 billion naira could have, been used immediately to begin transforming the Southeast. And our number one is this, right? A Southeast ring road, because the Southeast, it needs to be connected internally. A proper road network, that will connect the 5 states, Abia, Anambra, Imo, Ebonyi. Such it would dramatically improve the trade movement within the region. Merchants travel daily between these states. Traders also come from Cameroon and other neighboring countries to do business. Improving internal connectivity alone would boost commerce, immediately, because infrastructure is the backbone of economic growth. Number 2 is this, right? And electricity for small businesses, because again, the Southeast is filled with small-scale manufacturers. But what is their biggest problem? Electricity, as we all know. Without power, you cannot scale businesses. Without power, you cannot industrialize. Even a 2 megawatt power plant, which 5 billion naira could significantly contribute toward, it could power around 2,000 homes or multiply small industrial business clusters. Electricity is what turns artisans into manufacturers, and without it, growth is going to stall. Anyway, number 3 is a modern market infrastructure. Again, the Southeast is known for trade, but many of our markets, they still operate with structures built decades ago, right? Imagine building 500 to 800 modern shop units with fire protection systems, sprinkler systems, cold room storage, loading docks, modern sanitation, and organized logistics, right? This would modernize commerce and give the region a massive facelift. Markets like Aba and Onitsha, main market, Nnewi market, they could evolve into modern commercial halls, right? My number 4, anyway, is just industrial clusters in Aba. Aba is already famous for making shoes, garments, fabrication, but the sector remains informal. Imagine establishing organized industrial clusters where artisans operate under structured manufacturing facilities, garment factories, shoe factories, fabrication workshops. Now imagine going to companies like Nike, Zara, or even Fashion Nova and saying, we have thousands of trained workers ready to produce at scale. That is how regions attract investment, by leveraging the talent that they already have. And lastly, you could spend the money on conferences, meetings, donors, tours, endless planning sessions. Blow through the money, blow through all the money. And at the end of the day, have nothing tangible to show for the people, right? Sadly, this seems to be the path we are currently seeing. And here's the hard truth. Igbo people love to say that we are the most innovative, the most entrepreneurial, the most resourceful people. But when the opportunity comes to demonstrate that excellence, we most times fall into the same traps that every other person else has fallen into, right? We complain about marginalization. But when we are given the chance to lead, we forget the people we are supposed to represent. And that is painful to watch, right? It's very painful to watch. 5 billion naira may not solve every problem in the Southeast, but it is more than enough to start something meaningful. That is the point. Development does not begin with conferences. Development begins with projects people can see with their eyes and feel. So I ask you, if you had 5 billion naira to invest in the Southeast, what would you prioritize? Would it be infrastructure, electricity, markets, factories, or would you be doing conferences? Anyway, leave your thoughts in the comments and let's have a conversation. Because the future of our region, it depends on how we use the opportunities we are given. Anyway, my name is Kachi, and this is the Parlour podcast. Peace.